A big initiative has been taken by the Delhi police and Delhi police will be making anti-eve teasing squad in the national capital. And this is a big move and can turn out to be a big and major breakthrough that the Delhi government has taken this decision. And right now we are joined some girls as well who lives in the national capital. So we'll try to have an understanding with them as well that why such squads are important and how do they feel while roaming on the streets of the national capital. Do they face any problems regarding that and why such squads are necessary in the national capital? What's your name?
Natasha.
Natasha. So Natasha, Delhi police is taking one step ahead of the eve teasing problems that women are facing nowadays. So what do you think? Why such squads are important and necessary?
I feel like women and girls of every age group, they have been eve teased at some point of their life, and for me, like where I'm wearing this top right now, I feel very conscious, like walking down the streets of Delhi and or any even in my own state. So I think it's a very important step that they have taken, and even with the whole thing that you describe about driving and people don't look at women the same way that people also like tend to victim blame women as well. Like, why did you go to that secluded area at this time of the day? Or they won't ever take a whole man accountable for it. So I think immediate action is very necessary, and we should not like wait till something happens and then we can file an FIR and go to like visit courts and just make the process even more harrowing.
Yeah.
So,
What do you think? Do you think that Delhi is a safe place to live in as a woman, as a girl? Do you feel safe here?
um, in the day I feel okay roaming around, but definitely at night going to some areas, some places is very disturbing for me. Even when I see like reels and videos online, I see people like getting harassed or eve teased. So yeah, it's not like very safe, but I would say yeah.
Yeah, comparatively, day and night are different, right? Okay. And so, did you feel that Delhi is safe? Do you feel that? And also, did you encounter with some incident where you were eve teased, or your friends, your colleagues, or whoever got eve teased? And why do you think that such kind of squads are necessary?
I think everyone, like of any age, as she mentioned, any women you meet definitely has encountered such an experience, and it's very traumatizing. I feel like everyone who goes through that should not be silent about it and not be like, oh, I mean, it's normal. I think like, if you dress decently, people won't judge you or like, tease you for like what you're wearing, and it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what you wear. I think every woman goes through that, and I feel like women should be really confident about all these situations, and they should deal with it with like the utmost confidence. And yeah, these things are really necessary to spread awareness among women, and also this behavior should not be normalized by men. Every
Yeah.
man should know that. Yeah. Yeah.
Indeed. And also, what do you have to say to the Delhi police as well, through us, if you want to say, because it is their initiative and they'll be starting an anti-eve teasing squad where there will be female officers, male officers, and they will be patrolling on certain areas. So, what do you have to say to that?
I feel like, yeah, it's a great initiative, and I'm really happy to see, that, people are gonna, look at this, and this is a great initiative by the Delhi police. So,
Great.
yeah.
Thank you so much. So these were the voices that we are hearing right now of the national capital. The women does not apparently feel safe here because of the eve teasing problems that women have to face on a daily basis. So yes, we can say one major step has been taken in this particular problem, to combat this particular problem. And in this anti-eve teasing squad, there will be male police officials, female police officials, there will be patrolling day and night, there will be numbers that will be distributed among the people, among the women of the national capital, and this initiative has been taken so that the women living in Delhi can feel secure and can feel safe. With camera person Ankush, I'm Mehendi Garg for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.